Wastewater utilities require a conduit that is resistant to corrosion and chemicals. Depending on installation, these conduits must be UV and temperature resistant as well. Stainless steel type LASS and ATXSS are both highly corrosion resistant. ATXSS has a working temperature range from -60 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius, intermitting to 165 degrees Celsius. Type ALT has an aluminum core, providing a flexible, lightweight, corrosion-resistant solution. Electri-Flex Company manufactures conduit for any industry. Visit Electri-Flex.com for complete product information or call 1-800-323-6174 to talk to a representative.